Right, y'all, this day 26 of the Wheelie challenge, and we're gonna do a little something different. We're gonna ride out today and we're gonna hit wheelies, you know what I'm saying, everywhere we go. You know what I'm saying? So just ride with me, man. We riding out. Y'all just
so high I'm hypnotized. What's up is down, what's left is right. Chasing stars and holding you. I can't see the end, but we'll see it through. Times don't fly too high. Be sure to keep the ground in sight. Fly forever if you keep it tight. Love the world but keep the sky on your mind.
fucking idol gods, bruh. You know what I'm saying? Like, you know, me, I'm a believer in the scriptures, in the Bible, and we do not believe in this stuff right here, though. This right here is demonic. All right, we ride 5-0. You see 5-0 down here, man. We'll see how it is, bro. We ride. We in the street, man. We in the street. When you pass people, I learned you gotta pass them on the driver's side. Don't pass them on the passenger side, because they're gonna hit your ass, bro. I almost died yesterday. think it's down this street. So this is my first time seeing it. No, not my first time. Yeah, it's down here. I'm like, what the fuck is this over here? I ain't never seen this shit. See? Y'all see what I'm talking about? It's a motherfucking lake right here, bruh. What the hell are these fucking ducks? Geese or some shit. This is crazy, bruh. Hella shit. Hella fucking geese shit. I gotta take a picture. Look at that. That's hecka cool. Y'all see that? I'm gonna take a picture right quick. Take my phone off, right? Oh shit. Let me see. I got it upside down. Alright, so we about to cut. Y'all see this beautiful lake that we at? Hecka clean, man. Right down the street from my house. Let's get up out of here. Let's see what other shit we can see around here. Let's get up in the street right quick. There's no car coming. Let's roll. So this is day 26 of the Wheelie challenge. You know what I'm saying? We didn't do too much too much of wheelies and stuff like that, but we rode around, did a couple wheelies. You know what I'm saying? And just like got to check out the town. And that's what we'll constantly do. We'll constantly be riding around, checking out the town, you know what I'm saying, doing stuff like that. So y'all stay tuned with me. You know what I'm saying? Give me some more likes, shares. Share my videos, please. And subscribe, man. All y'all that's not subscribed to me, subscribe to me, man. And your boy is out.